Two.
Okay. Eat now. The weather. Weather check. Not so bad. Nakakapaglakad pa rin tayo. Okay. Morning. Right.
Apple bites. That's apple bites from McDonald's. Okay, let's eat it. You can even see in the camera.
There's a before the day for if you have any father for this the last day of June. Ano ba naging kapag
Okay. Where are we going?
Dominion Park. I can do it,
Go. Ay. So usually, yung pinakamalapit na park, just walking distance sa amin. And we usually went here in Dominion Park. Ay, naiwan. Hala!
Wait. Yes.
More? More?
I can only use this. You can't use any. Mosquito, like,
If your type O mosquito will like you.
yeah.
Ano? So type O ka.
What type?
Ang? The airbender. Ang?
The Yankees.
O paano? Earthbender.
Oh.